trial and error there, or do you know what you're doing? Yeah, where's that season? Imagine trying to fix a IQ. You're putting in a filter.
Oh, we're taking that thing apart, innit?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's the one.
I think.
Ready?
Yeah.
Can you pull it back harder?
Almost. Do you use all castrolls as well?
I've got the empty bottles. I checked it the other day, the pin, and it seemed like it was low, and I didn't make. There you go.
You could be one of those annoying guys that say, yeah, I don't know, man, I don't know who to recommend. I service my car myself. On your one, it wasn't merry, so hopefully this one is. You have to get Vin Diesel to do it.
Get out of the way, I want some nice light.
With some natural light, not coming from any corners. I think this would be a fun hobby to do without it. Isn't it?
That was nice and clean.
There's a nut in there.
Yeah.
Keep going until it gets like to the top and then stop it.
7-8 services, making about £100 profit on each one. That looks like coke, man.
Yeah. Sure it's not pushed down and clip or something more.
Pull back. Vanish, go. Gels.
There you go.
This is the filter part here, and this is the eye filter.
There you go. I just need the fuel filter now.
Some rubber thing fell off. That's not a funnel.
Okay, so the liquid dropped for a minute.
Yeah.
I leave it, man. No need to. Got the other piece that was on the. There you go. There.
How do you stop this rotating? It's rotating a lot.
What's the point selling? What's the point selling? Oh, look how easy your car was. Yeah. Your one's got like a little handle on it.
In 1 hour.
Oh, for likes, for views.
From clickbait. Or how to service a car in half an hour. Of views.
Yeah.
Wait, slowly, yeah? I just want to see it. There's the arrows, yeah. Yeah, upwards. You're right, I don't think that's doing any job.
That's only on this Polo.
You know, on the website, Halford's website, when you put your reg in, different price comes up for the service, isn't it? You know what?
Yeah, it'll come up.
No. So essentially, you could just do this on without servicing your car. Whoa! The car that side lifted up. I'll get it off the shot, innit? Loosen it. Very